How's it going? Welcome to another video. You're here because you want to know how to make money online, and I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Before we get to the video, I want you to subscribe, thumbs up, comment below what you took away from this video, and share this with a friend that you think wants to make some money online as well. So today we're going to be talking about Freedom in 365. This is a program, this is an affiliate marketing program that I think you really are going to be excited about. I bring things to my channel that I personally use or am personally trying out, and I give you my personal review, unbiased. I'm just telling you what it is. So this is an affiliate marketing program that focuses on training courses of all kinds. This is not just marketing courses. This is a very, very different type of program. It's going to take me a few videos probably to break everything down, but I'm going to try to not waste no time. So for example, they have a pro membership that is $14.99, 15 bucks a month, not expensive. In this pro membership, you're going to be able to, you're going to unlock a lot of things. So you're going to have a blogging system, discounted travel. You're going to have access to the Freedom Cycler, which I'm going to tell you about. The instant savings club, but that also comes into the free membership. You can't really do much for the free membership, but I think you get the instant savings club and a few products, just to test the waters. You're going to be able to earn 40% commissions off of all the products that I'm going to show you. So we're going to touch on those in a second. You're going to have access to the Freedom Social Club, which is Freedom in 365's own social media, where you can connect with a lot of different people in business, entrepreneurship, all sorts of things. You're going to have training. You're going to have WordPress. I told you about that blog, but you're going to be able to do some other things with WordPress. You're going to have training on creating funnels, which when you click the link in the description, it's going to show you exactly what a funnel is when you fill your name, email out, and it gets you the information. It's pretty much a selling platform, so I don't really have to keep talking to people. They're going to go to my funnel and get the meat and potatoes of the information, and they can contact me if they have more questions. Get some SEO training when it comes to your blog. If you don't know nothing about blogging, you need to get a blog, especially if you want to do business. This is how you're going to make money online and get the word out there. You're going to have access to some mindset training. You're going to get a funnel builder like I told you. And there's a lot more things down here. And these products right here, I told you, it's not just about marketing and making money online with affiliate marketing. You're going to earn 40% off of all these courses. So if anything, you became a pro member and you said, there's another way we get paid, but if you just wanted to do this, you can offer these courses. There's a lot of people looking for this. You can offer these courses. They're different prices to the people. They can come in here and get these courses. And you're going to earn 40% on these courses. And then if you scroll down, there's more. You get access to, let's open this, you get access to audio books. So Think and Grow Rich, a lot of big books, in this type of arena. A lot of motivation, mindset training. That's big in this arena. You're going to have access to some workout plans and nutrition guides. Tons of stuff in there. Tons of stuff. Health is wealth. So it's just a bonus. You're going to have some Pinterest and some LinkedIn training. But as far as marketing, 8 years doing it, I'll show you how to get it on any platform. So to get more and not waste too much time, let's show you a little bit. Let's show you some tools. I'll show you some tools. We're going to have a built-in autoresponder. And they send out they're integrating where they're going to be sending out SMS. So if people fill out their number within the system, so if you click below and fill out your number, you'll be able to update your prospects via phone, SMS, and the system will do that for you. So we have here's a few little tools. I don't know if you know what a drop card is. This is an old school marketing thing, but they still work. And a sizzle call. So if you call this number, and I think this is the extension right here, you'll get a breakdown of the program. You're going to have your funnel system, which is right here, built-in funnel. So if you don't know how to make a website, you're going to have something you can get in and start sharing right away. Postcards, paid traffic. I can teach you free methods as well. But here's another thing as far as if you want to go in and get some paid traffic, and all paid traffic is you can get some people to your website now. A lot of people in the industry already know what that is. You're going to have some scripts. So for you that don't know how to talk to people, when we start positioning you on these social media accounts, you're going to already have scripts. You're going to already know how to talk. You don't have to come up with anything. You're going to know what to say. Social media, look, there's so many different things, posts that you can make to attract people's attention. Are you ready to learn how to earn money using your smartphone? Learn how you can earn $1,000 a week from home by having your own business. Send me a message for information. And what's so interesting is some of these titles, I don't know if you guys know about the TikTok trends. You can put these on your video, so you don't even have to say anything. And you can put these titles, if you don't know have any ideas, you can put these titles on your video, and they'll definitely get people going. That's just a quick little training that I thought of, just out of nowhere. So this is pretty much, I'll show you the blogging system. We're on a fresh account. Just got this account about a week or two ago. Haven't started promoting this specific opportunity, but I have in the past. They updated it and brought it back better than ever. So you have access to a blog. Here's a blog. It's not a full blog, but I just want to show you the platform. I just put one of my videos on there, but you see the blog is nice. Nice. And this is just part of being a pro membership. So we're about 7 minutes in the video. So I want to quickly show you the second way you're going to get paid make money online with Freedom in 365, and that is with the cycler. The cycler is going to help you compound money. So you see these price points right here. Another cool way to unlock some of those courses I showed you is within the cycler. So I know people like to see, so I'm going to show you one of the products, for example. So I have the first level unlocked in the matrix, and that unlocked this product. It's called the Money Game Matrix, and this is part 1. So we're going to pause this. So this is they're going to show me in this product. Game of Money, the main characters in the money game, upgrade as a way of life, guide to winning the money game matrix. The matrix is, being in the system, get a job, go to college, etc. What is money? Financial fundamentals. So a lot of you want to come in this and make sure your money is worth. In products alone, you're $14.95 plus we're going to show you how much it costs to get in the matrix, and your $10, which for this specific matrix is going to be more than enough. We spend that on food. So can you imagine less than buying food? You're going to be able to have your own business, everything included, and you're going to have the right information, because you need the right information in this industry to make money online. It's not hard to make money online. I'm making this free video on YouTube. It's going to reach people. People are going to get started. It's not as hard as you think. So to break down this, we have an option right here. I want to break down everything, be as open as I can. I have the cycler spillover. I have it on. So let's just read it so I don't lose anybody. When enabled, all members you directly refer will fall downline even under your team using the first closed cycler board in each level. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to show you this matrix. It's $10 one time. So in this matrix, you're going to bring people into the premium membership. Once they have their premium membership, they can choose to enter this. What's going to happen is everyone that joins you in the matrix is worth something. So the first 2 members in this matrix get passed up to my sponsor. It's leverage. And hold that too. After that, each level is worth $10. I'm pointing like you can see the screen. But each level is worth $10. The first 2 are going to your sponsor. So from this $10 matrix, you're going to profit $40. So within this $40, this is what's going to happen. First, you can either, keep the money, because what's going to happen is this last spot is going to recycle this matrix. So for you to get another matrix open, this last spot is going to open up a matrix. I want to say automatically. Don't quote me. You might have to manually do it. But it's going to automatically open up another $10 matrix, because I have that spillover activated. So once you guys join, all my new people on my new matrix are going to start falling underneath you guys. You see what I'm saying? I have that on to help you guys. So you're going to be able to possibly earn some money with not even really doing anything. But don't have that mindset. But I just want to know you're not doing this alone. So you can either, keep some of the money and let the matrix open again and you keep earning $10, etc. Or to compound money, you'll take out of that $10 is already gone, but out of that $30, you can take 25 of it and open the new matrix. So what's going to happen at this new matrix? Now each spot is going to be worth $25. So the profit margin is going to be even bigger. The first 2 sales on that second level is going to be $50. Look how much it costs to get to the next level. So the first 2 sales after those pass ups, you're going to be able to open this up next matrix. The third sale, keep it. And the fourth sale is going to recycle this matrix. But what I didn't mention is at every level, you're going to unlock a new product. I hope I didn't lose you. It's a little bit to learn, but you just keep replaying this. You're going to unlock a product at each of these. So by the time you get to the end, the profit's going to be crazy for 1. 2, this business is going to pretty much be working for you because it's renewing itself. So you're going to have compounding cash flow happening even outside of you. And you're going to unlock some of those products that I showed you. So if you're someone who wants to learn drop shipping or real estate drop shipping, Facebook ads, etc., you're going to unlock a lot of those products within this matrix. So you're going to get those products without coming out of pocket. And you got to remember, I forgot to emphasize this. You started with $10 in this matrix. You stopped coming. If you chose to invest in your business and keep it going, you only came out of pocket $10. The profits get bigger. I'm actually probably explaining this a little more than I need to. As you go up, the profit margin gets bigger. The cash flow gets bigger without you coming out of pocket. The whole goal is really to only get 2 people. And then help your team, start learning how to bring people in business online. And now you have a team working for you. You have a little bit of leverage, compounding cash flow, because it's going to compound. You're going to start with $10. And as you go on in the matrix, getting out of the matrix, your compound cash is going to keep adding up. And I'll explain this more simple. But I just didn't want to miss anything, guys. We're at 13 minutes. And you see right here at the bottom, there's people joining this thing all the time. There's people buying products all the time. And this is just a second way to make money. But you have a platform that's inexpensive. You get to tap into affiliate marketing, which is, there's a lot of those other things people are making money with. It takes a lot of capital. If you're doing drop shipping with no cash flow, no liquid credit cards, it's going to be hard to really scale that business. You need the cash flow. That's why affiliate marketing is key. It's the only place you can come in, start marketing today. All these payments in this matrix are paid instantly via Cash App, Zelle, Chime, whatever it is you use. You can put it in the back office as the payment method. For example, when I click to join the matrix, I shouldn't have really did this because as you see down here, it holds the spot for you. It holds the spot. I don't want to show that person's number. But you see I have 14 minutes to hold this spot. I can extend time if I need it. And I can pay them via Stripe, Cash App, Venmo. It's going to trigger on the system. You see it actually is showing a lot of stuff right here. Member 151 has not yet cycled the matrix spot. Checking parent 2 using parent 2's open matrix. So it's just pretty much breaking down what we see right here. So it's showing they have 2 people right here. And I'm thinking this is where I will fall on her second matrix pretty much. So it's actually showing where you will land at. It says top level, spot 395, number 13. And it's showing pretty much who she has. And also, to touch on who my sponsor is as well. So it's not just my efforts, it's pretty much a whole community's effort. You know, people have to fall on open matrices. So if someone, you know, is not at, say for example, I'm not at the $50 level, and actually you can join all of these at one time if you wanted to, but I'm just showing you how to join without coming out of pocket again. So, you know, someone can fall under your spot, one of your matrices that didn't come from me. It just, the next spot that's available, it goes to. Because someone, like I said, someone can cycle quick. Someone can say, hey, I just want to already buy these other matrices already. And you got to go to the next spot. So that's the cool thing about this matrix. There's a lot of matrices out there. I know I made this a little more confusing. Be on the lookout for more videos. I'll go through it quicker. I just want to touch on everything. But most matrices have no product, no service, no system, no tools. No, there's not. It's just not really a company, a full company. It's kind of just like a funding thing, a cash moving thing. You get real products at every matrix level. But the reason why I like matrix levels and I try these programs is because it's a way to leverage. It's a way to not feel like you have to come in a business like this and try to make money online on your own. You can come in this business, get started, and you might have money might have a sign up before you even start promoting the business. But I want to end this video on Freedom in 365 and making money online right now. It's kind of long, almost 20 minutes. Just comment below with any questions. I'll probably chop this video up a little bit. Just comment below with any questions that you have, and I'll explain it to you way more simple than this. The funnel is in the description. Easy to go through. You're going to click it and fill out as much information as you want. The number is not required. The number is just going to allow us to update you via SMS, which is quicker. You know, some people don't check their emails. Make sure you fill out a working email so you can get updated in case you get lost and click out the website. All that email is going to do is update you into, you know, reminding you that, one, you didn't finish setting your account up, or just updating you with what's going on in the company, etc. You can always unsubscribe from that email, but it's just so we can update you so you remember Freedom in 365 and this Make Money Online program, you know, in case something happens and you go and get distracted. But you see, it's going to you can extend time. It's going to lock that spot in for you for those amount of minutes, so you can go submit your payment, and then when you submit your payment, it's going to have you take that transaction number, put it in the system. It's going to give you the person's contact information, so you can call them, text them, message them, say, hey, I sent the payment. Did you get it? Because they have to approve you manually. And wow, you have access to the system. And you can't even get access to this cycler until you become a pro member. But thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.